Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to fix iPhone stuck on SOS mode. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're having problems with your iPhone here and it's stuck in SOS mode, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, the first thing that you may want to do is you may want to do a simple force restart. Now, sometimes force restarting your phone can actually help a lot. So this actually depends on your current model. So what you need to do is you need to press the volume up button as quickly as you can, just one press, and you want to press or quickly press the volume down button, and you want to go and press and hold the power button in order for you to force restart your phone. Now, typically doing this in this pattern would actually help a lot. So this would basically help you restore, or in this case, restart your phone or force restart your phone, and hopefully that would be able to help you solve this problem. Now, if not, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to go ahead and just charge your iPhone. Now, sometimes doing a quick charge here and also restarting the iPhone can actually help a lot. So this would restore the previous functionality and hopefully fix the glitch here. Sometimes it may just have like a low battery, that's why it's having this issue. But if not, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to go ahead and visit your cellular data option. Now, typically, you need to go to your settings and you want to go ahead and look for the setting for cellular data options. And you just need to make sure that data roaming is actually enabled. Now, this is especially helpful, especially if you're in another country. So, in this case, this should solve your issue. But if not, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to turn on airplane mode. Now, airplane mode here sometimes helps you restart your network. So, mostly the problem may be with your carrier. So enabling airplane mode here would disconnect you from your carrier and then reconnect you and hopefully refreshes your connection. Now, in this case, you could go and just turn off airplane mode and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clean your SIM. Now, sometimes the issue might be a dirty SIM. So if you've recently took out your SIM card, well, you may want to clean it just to be on the safe side. And finally, if none of this actually worked, the final and last thing that you can try doing here is to try contacting your carrier. Now, sometimes contacting your carrier here is the best and best option that you could try doing here, because sometimes the issue may be with your account. So your account may be inactive or you may have some unsettled bills. So you may want to check with that and see if that is a problem. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.